Greetings, this is Bruce Ward, and welcome to another 5-minute Lightroom tip. This is lesson number 3, covering the 7 modules. As most of you know, Lightroom consists of 7 modules. Those 7 modules are listed up here on the upper right-hand portion of the screen, beginning with the Library module and ending with the Web module. Each module performs a different function depending on what it is you want to accomplish in Lightroom. To select a particular module, just move your cursor up here to this area and pick the particular module you want to use. For instance, let's select the print module, and it works like that. To go to the Library module, just click on the word Library, and the Library module appears. And in similar fashion, you can select any of the other modules. The Library module is where you will typically begin with a new set of photos you wish to work with in Lightroom. In the Library module, you'll go through the import process and do various other things to organize and catalog your images. We'll be looking at the Library module in much more detail in future videos. In the Develop module, that's where you make the various edits to your image that you want. It's where most people probably spend most of their time in Lightroom, and we'll be looking at the Develop module in much more detail in future videos. The Map module is where you can display your photos on a map tied in with Google Maps. It's not something I find very useful, and we probably will not be spending any more time on the Map module in this series of videos. The Book module, just like the name implies, is where you can organize your photos into book form and actually publish a book in a couple of different ways. We'll be taking a look at the book module in future videos. The slideshow module is where you can organize your photos into a slideshow to be played on your computer or on other computers using some export functions. I'll try to cover at least one look at the slideshow module in a future video. The print module is probably of more interest to most of you, and we'll delve into more detail on the print module in future videos. The Web module is not really something that will be of interest to you. What it allows you to do is organize your photos into a web gallery form, which you could then post on your website. However, you need to have a website where you have access to uploading computer code that can then display the web gallery that is constructed in Lightroom. Typically, if you like to post images on a website, like I do, at some of the more common photo sharing sites like Pbase or SmugMug or Flickr, to name just a few, the web galleries constructed here in Lightroom won't work at those sites. So consequently, we won't be spending any more time looking at the web module. The way I have my version of Lightroom set up may look slightly different from the way it will look on your computer. I've customized both the way the list of the modules appears and the way this area over here appears. The way you do that is through the edit function here, click on it, and then go down to identity plate setup, and then that will bring up this editor where you can edit both the identity plate and the way the list of the modules appears. I won't spend any more time on that, but you can take a look at it at home on your computer and see what you can come up with for ways to change the appearance in those two areas. All right, that's a quick look at the 7 modules. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you again.